Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CATIA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CATIA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin. In this video, we'll work on exercise number 11. To start off, we'll go to File, New, and double click on the part template. We're going to use surface design in order to design this, and let's go to the sketch, click on the sketch, and we need to first decide which face or which plane we need to select in order to start the sketch with. So in this case, we'll do this sketch here. So we'll select the top plane and go to the line tool and simply draw complete the shape here. And we can go to Smart Dimension and dimension it 108. This will be 78. This length will be 30. This length will be 30 once again. And this distance will be 54. Oops. That will be 54 as usual. So that's 54 by default, and this distance will be 36. Alright, now this sketch is fully constrained. Now you can exit the sketch. Now you can go for surfaces, you can go for extruded face, or extruded surface. And let's consider that we have created the sketch on the center of this plane here, or else let it be. We'll just create it on one direction, that is 64. So we'll just give 64 here. Now we just completed that surface there. Now what we can do is we'll create one more sketch. So just go for sketch and click on the sketch and select the top plane once again to do the sketch here, and simply you can draw another rectangle. In this case you can use again Smart Dimension and give the dimension as 36. This one will be 30. And that's it. You can exit the sketch. You can go for a surface once again and go for extruded surface and give the height as 42. So this will not be 64. I believe it is 84. Yeah, it is 84. So we can always go back to that surface and go for edit feature and edit that to 84. Alright, that looks good, right? Now what we can do is you can use this surface as the tool, trim surface, and The surface to remove is this. You can click tick mark. Oops. Okay, seems like it happened. Okay, again select this surface and go for trim surface, and in this case use this surface as a surface to be removed and click on tick mark. Now we have an opening over there. Now what we can do is use a fill surface and select these edges and that surface will be closed. And again on the bottom we can do that step once again. That will be to use a fill surface and click on the edges Alright, tick mark. Now we have that face closed. Now finally you need to close the top surface, or what you can do is you can just do it this way. This one, this guy here, this guy. Alright, click on the tick mark. Now we have that surface as well closed. Now finally you need to create a hole here. So create that hole. Again click on this surface here and go for sketch. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just select this face and go for features and create a plane there. Okay, select this face and go for plane. It's not creating plane as an offset. What we'll do is we'll just go for plane and we'll select top plane as a reference. We'll give 42 from the bottom, and we have a plane over there. Now you can just simply select that plane and go for the sketch and create a hole here. Now you can use a smart dimension and dimension that as diameter 16, and that will be at a distance of 16 each from both of these edges. That will be 16 and 16 from both of these edges. Click on the exit sketch and again go for surfaces and use this extrude surface, reverse direction up to the surface, and that surface will be this. Click on tick mark and that's complete. Now again select that surface and go for trim and select this and this as the elements to remove. Click on tick mark. Now that is done and our model is complete. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubts you can comment below the video, and stay subscribed to watch more. Thank you and stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.